Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's my friends Mehndi today और मैं बहुत ही easy सा और colorful makeup tutorial आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आई हूँ. So I'm using this shade Warm Beige from Too Faced on my eyelids. I'm taking a very light transition shade with the blending brush और मैं इसे अपनी crease के ऊपर place कर रही हूँ like that. It has to be very light and natural. एक फ्लैट शेडर की हेल्प से आई एम टेकिंग अ मैट ब्राउन शेड और उसको मैं लिड के ऊपर प्लेस कर रही हूँ इस तरह से. Going with the same colors on the other side, लिड के ऊपर ब्राउन मैट शेड प्लेस करना है. And you have to pick up the product and pack it on like that. I'm going to use this purple eyeliner and it's from Garg. ये बहुत ही beautiful eyeliner है and it has that metallic sheen to it और ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है apply होने के बाद. I'm going to put this on another eye. इसको हल्का सा thick रखेंगे so that it looks more intense and ये prominently visible लगे. This product that I got is this primer from Smashbox. It's called Smooth and Blur and it instantly blurs the pores and minimizes them. Just applying it on the other side as well. और जहाँ पर भी आपके pores हैं, center of the chin, over the nose, या center of the forehead, wherever you get oily, उन parts पर we'll apply this primer like that. Next I'm going with this orange corrector and this one is from LA Girl. और जहाँ पर भी darkness है या blueness है face के ऊपर, around the nose, around the mouth, या कहीं पर भी आपकी pigmentation है face के ऊपर, there you will apply an orange corrector. And I have a small pimple, यहाँ पे छोटा सा pimple हो गया है, तो उसके ऊपर I'm gonna put this green corrector. Again it's from LA Girl. They're super pigmented और अच्छे से ये कलर को बैलेंस करते हैं. And I'm using this wedge जिससे हम इसको blend करेंगे orange corrector को and the green corrector. Like that. Use this concealer and this is from Too Faced and the shade is called Warm Beige. जहाँ जहाँ हमने ऑरेंज करेक्टर लगाया है उसके ऊपर आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेस दिस टू न्यूट्रलाइज दैट कलर. और अगर हम उसके ऊपर फेयर कलर का कंसीलर लगाएंगे तो ये ग्रे नहीं पड़ेगा. सो इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट टू डू दिस स्टेप. अगर आपको लगता है आपकी पिगमेंटेशन बहुत ज्यादा डार्क है और वो फाउंडेशन के बाद भी विजिबल रहती है तो ये स्टेप तो आपको बहुत जरूरी है करना. विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कंसीलर ब्रश इसको बहुत ही जेंटली आई एम जस्ट blending it in over the places we have applied the corrector, the neutralizer, like that. Next I'm going to put the foundation on and I'm going to use the shade 2W1 and this foundation is from Estee Lauder and I just love this for a very natural and a radiant finish. Now I'm blending in the foundation using a beauty blender. अब इसके बाद हम लोग concealers place करेंगे. So I'm going to use the shade 20S and this is from Tarte. Under the eyes, over the nose, Cupid's bow and chin and the forehead. Using a concealer brush, I'm going to blend this in. एंड ये जो शेड है ये आपके फाउंडेशन से 2 to 3 शेड्स फेरर होता है सो दैट इट गिव्स यू दैट हाइलाइटेड ब्राइटनिंग इफेक्ट. हेल्प ऑफ दिस वेज आई एम गोइंग टू ब्लेंड द कंसीलर सो दैट वी हैव अ फ्लॉलेस फिनिश. प्लस कहीं पर भी आपका प्रोडक्ट जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा ना हो. अगर प्रोडक्ट एक्स्ट्रा होता है दैट्स गोना केक अप द मेकअप. So make sure you blend everything well with the help of a sponge after you use a brush. Now I'm using the cream blush, and this blush is from Rare Beauty. To know the shades, just comment in the section below and I'm going to reveal the shade there. So I'm going to apply a particular brush, and you have to take it towards the higher part of your earlobe, like that. With the help of the loose powder, and I absolutely love this loose powder from Rare Beauty. And I'm going to place this all over my face. I'm going to pick up this dark brown shade right here, and इसको मैं place कर रही हूँ अपनी lower lash line के ऊपर, like that. Same will go on the other side, just to complete the eye makeup over the lower lash line. And I'm going to use a smudging brush, और उसकी टिप से हमने अपना प्रोडक्ट को प्लेस करना है, like that. So I'm going to use the ABH contour palette to sculpt my face, and this is the brush that I'm going to use, like that. You have to blend it downwards and define your jawline like that. Bring it down into your neck, and for this highlighting your cheekbones, you have to start right from the corner of the lip till the earlobe, and you have to start from the tip of the nose. So from here, I'm going to take it to the higher part of the earlobe, like that, and blend it in the upward direction, like that. And same on the other side. You will begin from here, take it higher to the ear highest point and blend it in the upward direction, like that. Just to have that warmth effect, you have to sculpt the places you want to lift. And I'm going to place this on the nose, like that. Find the tip. Desert Rose and Mocha, and these are from MAC, and they give you a very soft and a natural flush, and I absolutely love them. Next, I'm going to use this lip liner, and this is from K Beauty, and the shade is called Sensational, and I'm going to overline my lips like that. I love them to look plumpy and good volume. I'm gonna put this in the outer corner of the lips. It's a beautiful color in case you want to do the nude lips. It look really amazing. Just outlining them. And I like to fill in the lips with the same shade, so that the lip balm stays for a longer time, and in case your lipsticks get washed off, you still have some tint underneath. So this is a good trick to make your lipstick a little more long lasting. So I love the pinkish nude shades, and this is a beautiful color from Too Faced, and I'm going to apply it all over my lips. Lip shade को light करने के लिए I'm gonna put up this shade called Wifey at the center, और ये एकदम से ombre effect देगा, and it's gonna make your lips look really amazing. So this is my completed look for the Mehndi event, and I'm all ready to go. I hope you guys like the tutorial and like the look that I've created. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and like this video.